Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakas ni khaddo ban Thep Kyrteng na gabenta ban Ïakhun ke election shika yeng dor bar thawan ke Jirang salai ngut ki Kyrtong na Jirang Konstitwensi kila mi menta ban Thep Kyrteng girade hakmat ke returning officer jong ko office tray kam deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi district Hanongpo kini ki lai ngut ki Kyrtong ke belawan ban Thep Kyrteng Jirang Konstitwensi ki kenthom ya ke ria sangma ke ban Ïakhun na ke seng BJP uba li bare Kyrtong Shimen bat ke seremina di marak kabanya khun na kaseng Republican Party of India. Kumakalong hadu mentaka sngi ka khaddo ban Thep Kyrteng ka jingdon jong ki Kyrtong na ki santali ki constituency ka Ribhoi kila poi shadu ka lai pusan ngut bakinthom ya sangut na umroi constituency prangut na umsning prangut na Jirang ndreungut na Nongpo bat prangut na Mauhati constituency.
Srimati Sirimina Dimara having been nominated as a candidate to fill to fight a seat in the 10th Jirang ST Legislative Assembly.
I, Shri Litra Vapada, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God and solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
As a candidate to fill a seat in the 10th Jirang ST Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will be
prepare for Jirang Konstitwensi. Ngan su kedau hang ni I nuksa ibarat bah. Apo Dubai pin lap uai u orange kumbang itip ni, but Mandarin mah tin hareng original name. Ulong ba u orange ubami lani u sot nyam tra. Ubami na po Jirang kide po Dubai Mall dulu bong. Kadur kadon kawai ke media outlet balai Ilekshon dure kato. Ba utau so ude so ubami na po Jirang. Henry ya utau so kajing mentoy kamyo poi support Jirang ya kinong rep ya utau so. Wat yung yang rendiaru na pipai sekata. Kini paro kide kimat ki bangabo hak matam. Ban penpau no ya kasnong Jirang ya kajing tres tom jum kita kinong rep apo ke konstitusi paro kawai.
Kajing tu tiket jompi na ka BJP. Te hatu kinong kersan bat kini kinong yalam ki jompi. Kidon bat pi ne kumno kadon kajing pa yasra.
Kalong kumni boleh sebut ni kata kajing keliru long telat yang aban pensai. Ba ha kapor bang apai yo kajing tip ba ka tiket kal ka klempoi sanga wat la ni la tresitom la arsnem kumbang batai mentan. Nila pendaplut ya ki kendon jong parti kumbakala ha nadu usnam arajar hak kendai ni sedang mentre po Jirang limba ke parti ti kajian okumno ba ha kapor pangayok kata ka jingtip ba ka tiket kampoi sanga Henry dang mi syu kata ka support na po ka senong Jirang kindang ai mensim syu yang i bangin tre kham bah syu bangin wanra ya kata ka thong banjok tinga ngets kham ba mentang asno lat loj bah pantre ko mutau Kyrtong Shimet bangan yo ban wanra da ka pura pat ka paka ya kata ka roi kapar hapo ke konstitusi Jirang
Long pilara bandra lang kita ginong support ginong pi ginong yalam.
Ki supporters jonga hadu mentak hamba fitep ki long intact ngila debat ya kawai ka executive committee meeting ru dang kini gisni arsni lai sni shwa ka border area ru bat support senong Jirang ru te ki supporter ki I full support yang so kumba syukran no dak tim tharang khandia. The base, the vote bank base is still very much intact. If anything, it's growing because of the acceptance of the independent status of the candidate, and people do have some sort of kidon hi ka khandiat kata ka jingtho against the BJP party. Lingba ki babun ki jingle jongka shakawai kawai pat ka ki snong mo hapok ri ko jongi ti lingba kata ka jing smula ju jongki ta kinong persan ki patmai mentak trawan penpau ya ka jing support
Protect the border issue. I have been fighting for that regarding the MOU, and I want to fight for the border area people, and I want to settle it in a nice way. And those who are not willing to give to the Assam, I want to stand with them.
How confident you are to win?
People will vote me because if they know my value, because I'm fighting for the people, I'm fighting for the society, so I confident and people will vote me and people will support me. Think maybe UDP or I think so, or maybe NPP, because they are very rich. I'm the forest candidate among the contestants, but I hope this time people will vote for the value, not for the money.
Since you are the woman who are
I will still stand for that. I will still stand, and it should be it should be revoked, or government should go according to public's will. They should not force. Will of the public should be listened by the government.
Yes, of course. Why? Because we from BJP party, we want development in Meghalaya. So whatever Modi has given to the public, the schemes, we are make sure that public will get it.
So what is the main agenda that you want to bring a change in Jirang constituency?
Definitely development.
okay, and then now right now today only that Lee Bare has just filed his nomination as independent candidate. He was supposed to get a ticket from BJP, and then he also said that most of the supporter of the BJP has left and support him. What's your opinion?
I don't want to comment on this right now. Sorry.
It is alleged by the leaders of the BJP, ex-leader BJP from Jirang BJP Mandal. They said that you are not belong to Meghalaya, you are from the Assam, and the constituency that you're going to contest is a ST constituency. What do you have to say on this?
अरे भाई मेरे पास सारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स है. I can show you all. ठीक है ना? तो इस चीज को मुद्दा मत उठाइए.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela, kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela. Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela, kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela.